Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel, a teacher, guide, and communicator. When I was guided to begin expanding my telepathy skills to encompass more of who I am and who we are as a collective, little did I know that the messages I will be channeling from the extraterrestrials or ETs will be pointing me in the same direction as our higher selves. All the messages sing the same tune. Partner with our higher self, as it's the most evolved way for our soul to grow and flourish, especially at this time. Why at this time? Because there is so much information and misinformation. The latter will easily misguide us and cause confusion in our shift to the fifth dimension, which is the goal of our ascension in this lifetime. The answers to these questions, who do I listen to? Who can I trust? Are found within each one of us. All that we need is already within us. If we can trust our own self, our higher vibrating self, then we are on that very path that our soul has planned for us. And in addition, we have other selves from our extended family in the galaxy to provide additional support and guidance to make smooth and easy our journey. I ask that you listen to your intuition. Each time you listen to any channeled message, the voice of discernment is within you too. Listen to and focus only on the message and not the messenger. This is key to discerning truths from untruths. The following is a transmission from the Pleiadian star mothers I received a couple of days ago. As always, take only that which resonates and leave the rest. Please enjoy.
Greetings, my children. This is how we see you. We have not forgotten our promise to return when the energies are right on the planet, and when the consciousness of humanity has shifted. We have returned. We are right by your side, encouraging you, uplifting you, and pushing you on ever so gently, as a mother would. We don't force you to do anything you are not ready for. We honor your free choice to make progress at a pace you are comfortable with. We want to tell you today that you are ready to make the big leap. Let go of the fear of falling. There are many who will help you up. You are not alone in this journey. Now more than ever there are many from across the galaxy wishing for your ascension journey to be smooth. Look within yourself for the guidance, as that is what's perfect for you. Take steps each day in the direction of your intuition. Let your intuition be your navigation process. Inquire within. What action do I take today? What must I let go? What areas in my life need tending to? Make each day a communion with your inner self for guidance, as it is the perfect way forward for you on your ascension journey. To some of you, this may be a new process. We tell you it's an ancient one that your ancestors have taken and have progressed very well in their journey on this physical plane. You are following their footsteps. And others who come after you will continue with this guidance from within. And when you receive that guidance, listen to it intently for its full message. And take the action as guided with your full and earnest attention. Focus 100% on completing each task. Discipline is your friend. Complete each task before you move on to the next. Give it your undivided attention as if your life depended on it. Do not give up on tasks that you see as worthless. Remember, your inner self knows what's happening in your life, and knows the final outcome that would help you move forward way faster in your journey. Your inner self knows what you are capable of, and it also knows your fears. It's about breaking down the wall of fear that you've built around you for much of your adult years. That wall of fear is an illusion, my dearest ones. It is time to bring it down, like the shackles that hold you back from walking forward, taking that leap, doing new things, and taking action. This wall of fear is of your own making through imagining thought patterns of worst-case scenarios. Stop those thoughts as they strengthen the walls of fear. Break the wall of fear with your newfound strength of optimism, enthusiasm, excitement, confidence, faith, trust, and passion. Let your high vibration feelings be the detonator to blow up that wall. See the wall already falling apart. See yourself as free. You are free to make new choices, to accept and receive new opportunities. Break all other illusionary chains. Picture all these in your mind's eye. Feel the energy of fervor and success filling you as you see the walls come crashing down and the chains broken. See yourself walking away from them, with a big smile on your face, and freedom in your heart. Feel it. Now you are ready to take that leap, and to take guided action. Go from here empowered, and prepare for a new beginning. We, your Pleiadian mothers, are here by your side, cheering you on, encouraging you to be the new you that you have been dreaming of. We applaud you. Until our next message, we embrace you with our love.
I hope you enjoyed that message. One important takeaway from this transmission is about making a choice to set yourself free, and that wall of fear will come tumbling down, brick by brick, as we continue working on ourselves and expressing more of our true power every day. And now I'd like to introduce you to my all-new event, a return to spirit that I curated, which is in absolute alignment with this channeled message and others from our ET brothers and sisters. We'll be doing exercises and meditations to release what no longer support us, design our life, anchor our vision into the new earth that we are all co-creating together. You will leave the event feeling more attuned to your own higher self, have more clarity on what you want to do, feeling a sense of purpose, and be better equipped to shift to the fifth dimension. If this too is your mission at this time, please visit the link below and find out more about a return to spirit. If you live outside Singapore, I make this available as a one-on-one private session via Zoom. I'll leave a link below as well. Until my next video, I wish you all the blessings of life.